Stop. If you're watching this in your 20s, you have a 10-year head start on a revolution that's going to make millionaires out of bedroom entrepreneurs. I'm about to show you how one person, just you, can build what used to require a team of 50 people. No employees, no coding, and I'm going to prove it by building a real business live in this video. But first, you need to understand why the next 18 minutes will completely change how you think about making money. Here's what's happening right now while you're watching this. Someone just launched a business that will hit 6 figures this year. They have 0 employees, no office, no meetings, just them, a laptop, and an army of AI tools doing the work of an entire company. In the next 18 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact 7-step system to build your own one-person AI empire. And I'm not just going to talk about it, I'm going to show you, number 1, how to use AI to find your perfect business idea in under 10 minutes. Number 2, the AI tool that builds you a professional website while you make coffee. Number 3, how to automate your entire marketing so content posts itself 24/7. Number 4, the automation that turns strangers into paying customers while you sleep. Number 5, how to run a full business with 0 employees using AI workers. And here's the thing, I've spent 20 years in marketing and I've never seen anything level the playing field like this. The tools I'm about to show you, most are free. The ones that aren't, cheaper than your Netflix subscription. So here's the deal. Watch this entire video. I've structured it so every 60 seconds you get a new tool, a new hack, or a new strategy you can use today. No fluff, no theory, just the exact playbook that's creating a new generation of solo millionaires. Let's build. Step 1. Find your $1 million idea fast. Okay, this is where most people get stuck for months. They think they need this perfect revolutionary idea. Wrong! You need a founder opportunity fit. That's a fancy way of saying, what are you good at that people will pay for? Here's the hack that changes everything. I'm opening ChatGPT right now. Watch this. I'm going to type, I'm trying to come up with a one-person business idea. Ask me as many questions as you need about my skill set before giving me suggestions. Look at this. It's interviewing me. It's asking about my technical skills, my creative talents, what I've done freelance before, what tools I know. This is insane. It's like having a business consultant in your pocket. I'm answering honestly. I've got marketing experience. I know automation tools. I've taught AI before. Now watch what happens. Boom, 5 tailored business ideas, not random garbage ideas specifically matched to my skills. Look at number 3, AI marketing automation setup service for small businesses. This is perfect because it's scalable. I can serve clients globally. It's simple. I'm not building rockets. It's suitable. I actually know this stuff, but here's what you need to understand. Your idea will be different. Maybe you're into fitness. AI could help you build a personalized coaching app. Maybe you're a designer. AI can help you create a one-person design agency that outputs like a team of 10. The point is this, in 10 minutes, you just went from, I don't know what to do, to I have 5 solid business ideas. That's the power of AI as your brainstorming partner. Now, before you pick one, run it through the 3S scalable. Can it reach thousands without you working thousands of hours? Simple. Can you explain it in 1 sentence? Suitable. Do you have or can you learn the skills? If it hits all 3, you've got your idea. Write it down. All right. Now you need to look like a real business, and I'm about to show you how to create a brand identity in the next 90 seconds that would have cost you $5,000 5 years ago. Watch this. Step 2, branding. You need a name, a logo, and a visual identity. Traditionally, weeks of brainstorming, expensive designers, endless revisions, and with AI, just 10 minutes. I'm on Namelix right now. This AI specializes in generating brandable business names. I'm typing in my keywords, AI marketing systems. Look at this. It's not just giving me names, it's showing me what they look like as logos, different styles, different vibes. This is a game changer because you're not imagining it, you're seeing it. Magic Marketer. Okay, I like that. It's got that AI meets marketing vibe. Now, logo time. I'm jumping into Canva. If you're not using Canva in 2025, what are you doing? They've got AI built in now. I'm using their Magic Design feature. I'm typing tech-savvy marketing wizard theme for Magic Marketer logo. 3 seconds and I have 6 professional logo concepts. I'm picking this one, tweaking the colors to match my vibe, maybe a deep blue and electric purple for that tech feel. Canva even suggests brand colors. It just happened in the time it takes to make a sandwich. In under 10 minutes, I have a business name that doesn't sound like I made it up in my basement, and I have a professional logo. But here's the secret. Nobody tells you your logo can change later. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Good enough to launch is the goal. Because right now you need to get your business online, and that's exactly what we're doing next. Step 3, your website. This is where people used to get stuck for months learning WordPress, hiring developers, watching YouTube tutorials at 2 a.m. Forget all that. I'm using HubSpot's free AI website builder. It's completely free and it's about to blow your mind. Signing up. It's asking me a few questions about my business, industry, marketing services. What do I offer? I'm pasting in that one-liner ChatGPT wrote for me earlier, helping entrepreneurs automate their marketing with AI-powered systems. Now it wants a business description. I'm giving it a bit more detail. Who I serve, what problems I solve. And I'm selecting a style. Let's go modern. Generating an, oh damn, what? Look at this. It built a hero section with my business name and a tagline. It wrote a services section explaining what I do. A pricing section with placeholder prices, an about section, a contact form that actually works, and it's mobile responsive. This would have taken a developer days and cost you $2,000 minimum. This took 10 seconds. Now, obviously, I need to customize it. The AI doesn't know my exact prices or my personal story, but the heavy lifting, the design, the layout, the structure, it's done. I'm just clicking and editing text, drag and drop, change this image, update the pricing, add a testimonial section, 20 minutes of tweaking, and I have a website that looks like a legitimate company built it. Here's what just happened. You went from no online presence to a professional website in under 30 minutes. You look like a real business. But here's the thing, a website just sitting there does nothing. You need traffic, you need content, you need to be everywhere your customers are, and that's where most solo entrepreneurs burn out. They try to post on 5 platforms, write blogs, make videos, and they quit after 2 weeks because it's exhausting. What if I told you that you could automate your entire content marketing so that posts go out 24/7 across multiple platforms and you barely lift a finger? That's exactly what I'm showing you next, and this is where it gets really crazy. Step 4, content marketing on autopilot. Content is how you build trust, attract customers, and stay top of mind. But creating content every single day, that's a full-time job, unless you have AI doing it for you. First, we need content ideas. I'm asking ChatGPT, give me 10 video topics or blog post ideas that would interest small businesses trying to automate marketing. Look at these 5 marketing tasks you can automate today. How AI can save you 10 hours a week, the one automation every business needs. These are gold. Each one could be a blog post, a video, a LinkedIn article, an Instagram carousel. I'm telling ChatGPT, write a 1,000-word blog post on how to automate client onboarding with AI tools. 30 seconds later, I have a complete draft. Is it perfect? No. Is it 80% of the way there? Absolutely. Now I'm copying this into Claude, making the content sound more conversational. Edit this to make it sound more engaging. Much better. I'm doing a quick proofread, doing some possible edits, and boom, a publishable blog post in under 10 minutes. But here's where it gets insane. When you are not just creating content, you have to automate your content distribution. This is Zapier. If you're not using this, you're working 10 times harder than you need to. Zapier connects all your apps and automates workflows. Watch this automation I built when I publish a new blog post on my website. Zapier detects it through RSS. It sends the blog URL to ChatGPT and asks it to write a LinkedIn post about it. ChatGPT generates a catchy caption. Zapier posts it to my LinkedIn automatically. And then it does the same for Twitter, but asks ChatGPT to make it shorter and add hashtags. Then it posts to Facebook with a different angle. 1 blog post, 4 platforms, 0 manual work. It just happens. And here's the really crazy part. I can schedule this stuff in advance. I could spend one Sunday creating 10 blog posts with AI, load them into my CMS with scheduled publish dates, and my entire month of content across all platforms is done. While your competitors are scrambling to post something every day, you're consistently showing up everywhere because you built a system. You look like you have a whole marketing team. It's just you and your AI army. Okay, so now you're creating content, you look professional, you have a website, but how do you actually get customers? How do you go from cool business to making money? That's what we're tackling next, and I'm going to show you the AI tool that finds your perfect customers and the automation that reaches out to them while you sleep. Step 5, getting customers. This is where the rubber meets the road. You can have the best product in the world, but if nobody knows about it, you're broke. Most people wait for customers to come to them. That's a mistake. You need to be proactive. You need outreach. But doing it manually, soul-crushing and slow. This is Apollo.io. It's a lead generation platform with AI built in, and it's about to change your life. Apollo has this feature called AI Persona Builder. I'm describing my ideal customer, e-commerce brand owners, 1 to 50 employees, not tech experts, looking to save time on marketing. The AI is analyzing this and creating a detailed customer persona. And this is the magic, it's finding real people who match this profile. Look at this list. Jane Doe, marketing director at Shop ABC San Francisco. John Smith, founder of Trendy Shoes Co. Austin. Sarah Johnson, CMO at Boutique Style New York. real people, real companies with their email addresses. Apollo's free plan gives you up to 1,200 leads per month. That's 1,200 potential customers you can reach out to for free. Now, you need to email them, but what do you say? How do you not sound like every other spammy cold email? I'm asking ChatGPT, write a short, friendly cold email to an e-commerce store owner offering to help automate their marketing using AI. Mention one benefit and invite them to a free 15-minute consultation. Use a casual tone. Look at this now. The email is designed very well to attract the reader, plus it is directed to your point clearly. But here's where it gets really powerful. You're not going to send these one by one like a caveman. I'm putting all my Apollo leads into a Google Sheet, name, email, company. Then I'm building a Zapier automation. When a new row is added to my outreach sheet, Zapier waits 5 minutes so it doesn't look robotic. It sends an email from my Gmail using that template, but it personalizes it, inserts their name, their company name. It marks the row as sent. So I don't double email. I just built an automated sales machine. I add leads to a spreadsheet and they automatically get a personalized email. No manual sending, no forgetting to follow up. And here's the thing. Even a 2% response rate on 1,200 emails is 24 potential clients. If you close even 5 of those, that could be $5,000, $10,000, $50,000, depending on your service. This is how solo entrepreneurs compete with big companies, and they use AI to find leads, AI to write outreach, and automation to scale it. You're doing the work of a 5-person sales team by yourself. All right, so you're getting customers. Amazing. But now you have a new problem actually running the business, onboarding clients, scheduling calls, sending invoices, managing projects. This is where most solo founders drown, but not you. Because in the next section, I'm showing you how to automate your entire operation so your business runs itself. Step 6, automate your operations. When customers start coming in, you need systems. And if you try to do everything manually, you'll burn out in a month. Think about everything that happens when you get a new customer. You need to send them a welcome email, collect their information, create a project folder, set up a kickoff call, send an invoice, add them to your CRM, create tasks to track the project. That's like 30 minutes of admin work per client. And what if you get 10 clients? So if you automate it once, it takes 30 seconds per client, forever. I'm building what I call the client onboarding machine. Watch this. Trigger, new payment received in Stripe or new form submission, whatever you use. Action 1, create a new folder in Google Drive with the client's name. And Action 2, copy my client questionnaire template into that folder. Action 3, send an automated welcome email with a thank you message, a link to the questionnaire, a link to schedule their kickoff call using Calendly. Action 4, add a new row to my client's Google Sheet with all their info. Action 5, create a Trello card or Asana task to start tracking the project. Action 6, send me a Slack notification, new client onboarded name. 6 steps. Connect 5 different apps and it runs in under 60 seconds every single time someone becomes a client. Watch I'm triggering it with a test payment and boom! Email sent, folder created, sheet updated, Trello card made, Slack notification received. And this is what I mean by having an AI team. And this automation is like having an admin assistant who never sleeps, never makes mistakes, and works for free. And you can do this for everything. Scheduling, Calendly plus Zapier equals automatic Zoom links, calendar invites, reminder emails. Invoicing, Stripe plus Zapier equals automatic invoice generation and payment confirmations. Support, chatbot on your website answers FAQs 24/7 using your knowledge base. Social proof, after project completion, Zapier automatically sends a review request email. Here's what this looks like in practice. You wake up, check your phone, and see that 3 new clients signed up overnight. They've all been onboarded. They've all scheduled their kickoff calls. They've all paid. Your calendar is updated. Your project management is updated. You didn't do anything. Your AI team did. This is the future of work. This is how one person can do what used to require 10 people, okay? We're almost done. You've built a business, you've automated it, you're getting customers, but there's one more step, and it's the most important one. Step 7. Continuous improvement. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Building the business is the easy part. Staying ahead is the hard part. There's this concept called the 1% rule. If you improve by just 1% every day, in a year, you're 37 times better. Not 365% better, 37 times better, because it compounds. So here's what you do every week. Pick one thing to optimize. Then week 1, test 2 different email subject lines, see which gets more opens. Week 2, tweak your website headline, see if conversions improve. Week 3, add one more step to your onboarding automation. Week 4, Try a new AI tool that just launched. Small tweaks, constant iteration. This is how you go from $5,000 a month to $50,000 a month. And here's the thing about AI, it's evolving fast. New tools come out every week. Zapier adds new features every month. ChatGPT gets smarter. Make it a habit. Spend 30 minutes a week exploring new tools, join communities, read newsletters, test things. So use AI to handle the boring stuff. Use automation to scale the repetitive stuff. But use your brain for the creative stuff, the strategic stuff, the stuff that makes customers say, I want to work with this person. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start. Pick your idea. Build your brand, launch your website, automate one thing, then another, then another. Let's recap what we just covered. Step 1, use ChatGPT to find your perfect business idea in 10 minutes. Step 2, create your brand with Namelix and Canva. Step 3, build a professional website with HubSpot's AI Builder. Step 4, automate your content marketing with AI and Zapier. Step 5, find and reach customers with Apollo and automated outreach. Step 6, automate your operations so your business runs itself. Step 7, keep improving, stay updated, and never stop learning. You now have the complete blueprint. Everything you need to build a one-person AI business is in this video. The question is, will you actually do it? Because here's the thing, information without action is just entertainment. You can watch this video, think that's cool, and go back to scrolling, or you can open ChatGPT right now and start step 1.